Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Cyberpunk game info mode 2077 filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to try this filter you need to use your rear camera and you need to find this picture. Link to this picture I'll give in the description box below. You can get the picture from here. So scan the picture and you will see this images. Okay, now let's go inside. Okay guys, so this is the filter. Okay guys, so this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Cyberpunk game is the creator of this filter. Check in the filter gallery and this is the filter, game info mode 2077. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. If you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, likewise, let's scan. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.